Welcome back to Feature Friday. With safety always at the top of our mind during the busy construction season, today we're focusing on an essential piece of equipment for anyone working in or around confined spaces. According to the Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety, confined space is a fully or partially enclosed space that is not primarily designed or intended for continuous human occupancy, has limited or restricted entrance or exit, or a configuration that can complicate first aid, rescue, evacuation, or other emergency response activities, can present a risk to the health and safety for anyone who enters. Due to these characteristics, it's easy to see how confined spaces can present serious hazards, including limited access, poor ventilation, and the potential for hazardous atmospheres. That's why having the right rescue equipment is critical to keeping your team safe and compliant. This week, we're looking at MSA's Workman Confined Space Entry Kit, designed to allow for no-entry rescue and provide portability, versatility, and peace of mind. Here is what's included in the kit. A tripod, durable and easy to set up, designed to provide secure overhead and carriage for confined space entry and rescue. A 50-feet rescuer with a stainless steel cable allows for quick and controlled lifting or lowering of personnel or materials. Built-in braking system for added safety. A pulley and carabiner, essential components for efficient road management, ensures a smooth and secure operations during rescue scenarios. A carrying bag also makes transport and storage simple, helps protect components from dust, moisture, and UV damage. Some of the key features are the maximum personal capacity, 400 pounds, the dual functionality, can lift or lower workers and materials, and workers with a self-retracting lifeline, and is also CSA approved. Always inspect all components before each use. If you come across any evidence of damage or misuse, CSA's recommendation is to take the part out of service. Regular maintenance and proper storage will help ensure the longevity and reliability of your gear. Thanks for watching this week's Feature Friday. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, leave a comment with your safety questions, and subscribe for more tips and product breakdowns. For more products related to confined space entry like harnesses, gas detection, head protection, and more, check out our 2025 Spring and Summer Flyer by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to visit our blog for in-depth resources. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next time.